here I am ranting again, but I want everyone to think about this, yeah? Me included. Like, I've been in mentorships, I've been in programs where my coach has told me to do something and I ain't done it, yeah? I've been like, nah, I ain't gonna do that. This works better for me. But it doesn't always work better for me. Not always. And then now that I'm in this kind of space, I think to myself, okay, imagine if you just did what your coach told you for 6 months straight. She or he tells you, okay, you need to go to the gym and do 10 burpees every day. Let's just imagine, we're just imagining it. Let's just say that's the case. And you just did it for 6 months. Or they say to you, okay, you need to ensure that you eat these 3 meals every day for the next 6 months with a little bit of variation here and there, and we'll exclude birthday parties, weekends, weddings, social events. Just imagine if you, as a coach, did what your mentor told you to do every single day. So if your mentor says, okay, you should try to create 20 or 30 conversations based on people that are engaging with you. You should make sure you're posting content that is specific to your audience, their wants, their needs, and provides value. If you just did what your coach said for 6 months, the question I'm asking is, where could you be right now? And that's something I contemplated on my first mentorship, because I followed everything. Did very well. I grew my coaching business fairly in a good amount of time. But then near the end of me being with that mentor, I started to veer off track and just do more of my own things, because I just thought, well, I've done what he said and I'm here now, so what's next? And maybe it was a little bit of his fault, but a little bit of my fault too, because I just thought that, okay, I know the next steps. I didn't know the next steps, because then I was stuck for like a couple months. Then I was searching for new mentors and whatever. So just do the work, man. Do what your coach says. I promise you, no matter what program you're in, if you actually just did what they said, you could probably be successful.